This is HeyJay Stylexio and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing a follow-up tutorial on how to sew our panty. Don't forget, in our previous tutorial I showed you how to cut your panty, how to make this pattern from scratch and how to cut your panty. So today we're going to be learning how to sew your panty, join the pads, the gosset, the back and the front patterns together. But before we go to the work table, if you've not subscribed to the channel, kindly do, so that you can get updates on all of our tutorials. We're going to be having lots and lots of tutorials on this channel. So let's go back to the work table. The back panty. This is the front panty. See, the back is curved out, the front is curved inwards. And this is the gosset, the two gosset. So what you just do is place your front fabric pattern like this, your front fabric, because these parts, you see, that's why we used the same measurement for the front, the back the same measurement. So this is the way it's supposed to be, and then the back follows like this. So what you just do is you pin here like this, you see that this fabric is very stretchy. So but when you are cutting on your fabric, I said add 0.5, add, that is half inch as sewing allowance. That is after dividing your measurement by 0.9, add 0.5 sewing allowance when you are cutting on your fabric. Then I'll pin this side as well inward like this. So this is the front and the back joined to the gosset. I'll pin it, then I can decide to sew it if I want. Sew it with your any stitch at all. Then when you turn it, this part now, you bring it like this. Make sure the front side is, that is the smaller side is on the front and the wider side is at the back. So you just place it like this. This is the back. Let the front here face the rest on the back like this. Place it like this and pin or sew. Just assume that we've sewn this part, or even though you've not sewn this part, after pinning like that, you can just repin again. But it's better you sew when after the first pinning, you sew before you do this. So this is it. So the front of the gosset is lying on the back. Then you bring this one like this. You bring it like this. Let the front also lie on the back, just the way you did the other side. So this other gosset is here now. So you still pin. Make sure you pin it properly. So the best way, just sew first. Sew the first set. Then before you sew the second set. But if you know you can pin and sew together, it's fine. So after pinning like that, when you straighten it, you see that this is the front. I see it is joined together. This is the back, is joined together. So that's how your panty, you see that this corset, the front and back is showing at the correct side is showing on the front of the pant, and the correct side is showing at the back of the pant. So after pinning like this, you still sew it, just sew it inside, sew here before you turn it like this. Then what you now do is, after doing that, before you close the sides like this, just sew here. You can sew use a blanket stitch to sew the two sides together. Blanket stitch to sew two sides together, or they call it buttonhole stitch or decorative stitch. Sew these two sides together. After sewing these two sides together with half inch, now the half inch you added, but this material is stretchy, so I can even sew from it. So you sew the two sides with half inch. Then this other side now, there's this fancy elastic used for panty. It has something like a scallop. Look at the edge here, it's rough. That's one, it's kind of a design for panty. So you just place it along your panty line. After sewing these two sides now, you just place it
round, and then you can use any stitch. You also use it to sew the edge of your panty, the waistline round if you want, or you can fold the waist inward by some inches, but it's better you use this. Fold it first, so don't just place it like this.
So you see, like making panty is so easy, from the cutting to the sewing. So I expect you all to make your panty. Get fabrics. You don't need so much fabric. Just get fabrics. Make your panty. Make for yourself. Make for your younger ones. It's fun. It's just fun. Sewing is fun, and with HeyJay is real fun. So well, I expect you guys to subscribe again. Don't forget. And guess what? I'll be dropping a video soon on how to sew the leggings from cutting to sewing. So please subscribe so you can get updates on that. See you. Bye.